Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover the world's first real Open AI connected WordPress software that creates set and forget websites with limitless real-time unique content, auto-publishing posts, pages, and images directly from Chat GPT and Open AI in any niche. So if you too are willing to have your own website publishing content 24/7 without copy-pasting any content, without downloading and uploading images, without doing any manual corrections ever, and without ever logging into Chat GPT or other bogus AI apps, then you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting GPT Blaster, the world's first OpenAI WordPress website creator that creates set and forget websites, generates limitless real-time unique content with images and videos directly from Chat GPT and OpenAI in any niche without copy and pasting. All you need to do is just tell GPT Blaster your niche and your self-updating website from OpenAI will be ready to publish content. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, set automation. Number 3, profit. And that's it. You're all set to generate valuable, engaging, relevant, and high-quality content for your WordPress website in just a few clicks. And the best part is there's no need to log into a separate app or Chat GPT and then wait to generate content, waste money on expensive content creation or graphic platforms, pay huge monthly fees to expensive third parties, worry for any complex technical or marketing skills. Here are some amazing benefits you get with GPT Blaster. Get limitless real-time unique content with images and videos directly from ChatGPT and OpenAI. Publish automated content as posts and pages using GPT Blaster AI directly on your website. Just enter title and your content for pages and post will be ready on your website. Generate and insert automatic images into the post as per keyword and title. Choose image size. Add feature images. Choose from 4 natural language modes to generate content automatically. Choose temperature of the content and control its randomness. Control length of the content to be generated, and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. All this and more for a one-time low fee. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then GPT Blaster is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. GPT Blaster will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get GPT Blaster for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.